again to Kababayan LA. Dito po sa ating programa, we give legal advice courtesy of our mga kababayan kompanyeros on the show. We've tackled different things, employment, insurance, maging immigration, of course, a very hot topic for us Filipinos. Pero ngayong hapon sa Kababayan LA, first time, if I remember correctly, sa 4 years na pagsasama po natin sa ating programa, we are talking about family law. Kasama po natin Attorney Paul Aquino because we understand the need in our community to be well-versed with the laws pagdating sa pagdidivorce po. And of course, bukas ang aming mga linya ng telepono ngayong hapon upang kayo ay matulungan. Malia is our first caller from Palmdale. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Malia.
Good afternoon.
Yes, go ahead with your question.
Yeah, ang question ko lang, actually, it's a follow-up with yung, the fact that California is a no-fault state. Kasi I'm thinking, for example, nangaliwa yung asawa mo, that's technically a breach of a marriage contract, right? Can you still sue him? You know, para kasi hindi fair na equal ang hatian ng properties and everything.
That's a good point.
Yeah, ang judge ay hindi makikinig kung yung mga issues na ganon. Ang mahalaga lang ay sabihin nyo na mayroon kayong irreconcilable differences and that's it.
No, pero sa divorce yun, is there a relief for her na isusu niya in other, you know, it's because it's a breach of contract or something? Is it considered?
Yeah, you can, but in the real world,
hindi pinapakinggan ng court.
It's very tough. It's very hard.
Okay. All right. Gani is joining us from Long Beach. Hi, Gani.
Yes. Good afternoon, Janelle.
Yes. Ano po
may tatanong lang kay Atty. Aquino. Kung let's say, ikaw ay may asawa sa Pilipinas and then nagkasal ka rito or divorce, paano ang status mo? May asawa ka rito sa Amerika, may asawa ka rito sa Pilipinas, yun. Kailangan ba na?
Okay. Are you there? O, sige, ano po? So, may asawa sa Pilipinas, may asawa dito sa Amerika, and your question is?
Paano yun? Double wedding, pwede pa yun? Kailangan magpa-annul ka pa dito sa Amerika?
Okay.
Yeah, kung may asawa ka sa Pilipinas, sapagkat ang principle involved is valid where celebrated, valid everywhere. Kung halimbawa sa isang tribo, ay ang kasal ay hinihila mula yung buhok ng asawa mo, kasal kayo.
Okay.
Ngayon, yun ang ibig sabihin, may tinatawag tayong Renboa Doctrine sa legal principle. Ngayon, kung kasal ka sa Pilipinas, kasal ka rin dito kahit na anywhere in the world.
Okay.
So kung mag-aasawa ka dito uli, magkakamiro ng double marriage, and that is a ground for bigamy. Pwede kang magkamiro ng criminal prosecution.
Okay. Ano po ang parusa sa bigamy?
Bigamy, that is pinaminimum na doon is 5 years.
Sino po ang magsusu, yung asawa sa Pilipinas?
That is yun ang tinatawag na case against the state. Mapapansin mo may tinatawag na people against so and so.
Right.
So it's a crime against the society. Ang magsusunod is mag-iimbestiga ang police, then ang DA, magpapile ng complaint against you. Pero in reality, wala pa akong nakita dito. Sa tagal ko na nagpa-practice, I've been a lawyer since 1964 and 79 here in California. Wala pa akong nakita na narinig kaya na prosecute because
of bigamy.
Yeah.
All right. Pero there's always a first time. Kaya wag kayong magpapaka. Siguro you always have to do that divorce thing. You can't be married to two people at the same time. We're going to pause for a few reminders. When we return, more phone calls. Don't go away.